Will robots take over jobs? Robots are cool machines that can do tasks on their own, but will they steal all the jobs? What are robots? Robots are like super smart machines. They can do things like stacking boxes or helping in big factories. Good things about robots. Robots are great at doing some jobs really fast and without getting tired. They can even do jobs that are too dangerous for people. New jobs, new fun. While robots might do some jobs, they also create new ones. People will still be needed to teach, fix, and work with robots. Human superpowers. Robots might be good at some things, but they can't do everything. People have special skills like creativity and problem solving that robots don't have. Robots and us. Sometimes, robots and people work together as a team. People can tell robots what to do and help them when they get stuck. Learning and growing. As things change, we'll need to learn new stuff and be ready to try new things. That way, we can keep having fun jobs. While robots may change the way we work, they're unlikely to replace all jobs. Humans and robots can complement each other, leading to new opportunities and advancements in various fields.